Hi, hello to everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about the question paper which consists of aptitude and reasoning questions. These are very important for TCS NQT 2021, IPRO NLTH 2021. Both exams, these are very important. In this question paper, we discuss 50 questions from aptitude and reasoning. We discuss easy, medium, and high level questions in this question paper with shortcut methods. Please watch my video up to the end. Please share these videos to your near and dears. Please subscribe my channel. That first question is, in how many ways can the letters of the word leader can be arranged? In this leader, we have 6 letters. So these 6 letters we are arranging in 6 factorial ways. But here E is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 6 factorial is 720, by 2 factorial is 2, 720 by 2 value is 360. Option number D is the right answer. Next question. The numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3 and their HCF is 12. The numbers are, so one part is 12, 12, 20, 12, 2 is 24, 12, 3 is 36, 12, 24, 36. Option number B is the right answer. Next question. The average of 8 men is increased by 2 years when 2 of them, whose ages are 21 years and 23 years, are replaced by 2 men. The average age of the 2 new men is, 2 new men is equal to new men sum is equal to 8 into 2, 16 plus 21 plus 23. That outgoing person says totally 60. Average we need. So average equal to 60 by 2 new men by 2, 30 years. So option number A is the right answer. Next question. Minus 5 into 4 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. 2 get cancelled. 4 get cancelled. Minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 into 3, 15. Option number A is the right answer. Next question. 4 watt wavers can wave 4 mats in 4 days. At the same rate, how many mats would be woven by 8 mat wavers in 8 days? 4 mats, 4 men, 4 mats and 4 days. 4 mats in the work. 8 men, they made how many mats in 8 days? That is the question. Now, here work is inverse proportional. So 4 into question mark equal to 8 into 8 into 4. 4 get cancelled. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. 8 into 2, 16. So they make 16 mats. So option number B is the right answer. Next question. 45 plus 15 into 1.5. 15 into 1.5 is 15 is 225, 22.5. 45 plus 22.5 is 67.5. Option number C is the right answer. Next, if 10% of X equal 20% of Y, percentage get cancelled. 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja. X by Y equal to 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2 is to 1. Option number D is the right answer. Next. A boy goes to his school from his house at a speed of 3 km per hour and returns at a speed of 2 km per hour. If it takes 5 hours in going and coming, then the distance between his house and school is. Average speed equal to 2xy by x plus y. 2 into 3 into 2 by 2 plus 3 value is 5. 12 by 5. This is the average speed. Distance equal to speed into time. 12 by 5 into time is 5. 5 get cancelled. 12 kilometers. This 12 kilometers is go on return case. Now we need only one way distance. One way distance means 12 by 2 value is 6 kilometers. So option number A is the right answer. Next, what is the unit digit in 7 power 105? 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 job 49. 49 last digit is 9. 9 7 is 63. 3 last digit. 3 into 7 21. Last digit is 1. 7 power 105 can be written as 7 power 4 whole power 26 into 7. Whole power 4 into 26 value is 104. This value is 7 power 4 value is 1. 1 power 26 value is 1 into 7. That value is 7. So option number B is the right answer. Next, a car moves at the speed of 80 km per hour. What is the speed of the car in meter per second? So kilometer per hour we convert into meter per second by multiplying with 5 by 18. Here 2 9 ja, 2 40 ja. 40 into 5, 200 by 9. 9 2 18, carry 2, 2 0 20, 9 2 18, carry 2, 2 by 9 meter per second. 22, 2 by 9 meter per second. Option number B is the right answer. Next question. A person who spends 66 2 by 3% of his income is able to save 1200 per month. His monthly expense are 66 2 by 3% spends means remaining saving is 33 1 by 3% of total salary is X equal to 1200. 33 1 by 3% value is 1 by 3 into X equal to 1200. X is the salary, that is X equal to 1200 into 3 3600. So in this 3600, he spent 66 1 by 2 by 3%. 66 2 by 3% value is 2 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 1200 ja. 1200 into 2 2400. 2400 spends in this 3600. So option number D is the right answer. Next, if log 2 base 10 equal to 0.30103, find the value of log 50 base 10. Log 50 base 10 equal to log 50 can be written as 100 by 2 base 10. So this is the form of log A by B. Log A by B formula is log A minus log B. Log 100 can be written as log 10 square base 10 minus log 2 base 10. So 2 into log 10 base 10 value is 1 minus log 2 base 10 value is 0.30103. 2 minus 0.30103. So 2.00000 0.30103. 10 minus 3 7. 9. 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 0 9. 9 minus 3 6. Here already we take carry 1 means 1. 1.69897. Option number A is the right answer. In how much time would the simple interest on a certain sum be 0.25 times the principal at 10% per annum? Time equal to formula is 100 into SI. SI value is 0.2 times the principal. 0.125 times the principal divided by P into principal P into R. R value is 10%. PP get cancelled. 0 get cancelled. This value is 10 into 0.125 is 1.25. 1.25 can be written as 125 by 100. That one is 25 5 ja, 25 4 ja. So 4 1 ja 4. Carry 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Yes, option number D is the right answer. A and B are partners in a business. A contributes 1/4 of the capital for 15 months and B receives 2/3 of the profit. For how much? How long B's money was used? A contributes 1/4 months for 15 months. He gets profit. So B receives 2/3 means he gets only 1/3. So 1/3 profit value is 15/4. Now find 2/3 profit value, 2 times of this one. So 2/4 into 15. 2 1 2 2 15/2 or 30/4. 30/4 value is 2/3. So E invest. So A invests 1/4 times. So B invests 3/4 times. So 3/4 multiply with 10, then only we get 30/4. That means 10 is the 10 months time. So that is the time period. So B invests that amount for 10 months. Option number A is the right answer. What is the speed of stream? The boat covers 24 kilometers in 6 hours moving upstream. Upstream stream is 24/6 value is 4 kilometers per hour. The boat covers 24 kilometers in 3 hours moving downstream. 24/3 value is 8 kilometers per hour. That is the downstream speed. The ratio between the speeds of boat and stream is 3:1. So using these two speeds, we find boat and the stream speed. Otherwise, any one of this one, and also using this percentage, you find the speed of this one, speed of this boat and the stream. So any two of the three is the answer. Option number D is the right answer. A sells a bicycle to B at a profit of 20%. B sells it to C at a profit of 25%. If C pays 225 for it, the cost price of the bicycle for A is. Cost price is X. A sells to B 120%. B sells to C at 25% profit. 25% means 125% equal to 25. 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 6 ja, 2 5 ja. 25 5 ja, 25 4 ja. 5 5 get cancelled. 3 2 ja, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. X equals 75 into 2 values 150 rupees. Option number D is the right answer. Next. 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 plus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 simplifies 2. So here 2 plus root 3 into this one multiply with 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 value is 2 minus root 3 whole square plus 2 minus root 3 multiply with 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 whole square plus root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 whole square, which equal to a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 2 square is 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 minus 2ab. 2 into 2, 4, 4 root 3 plus 4 minus 3, 4 plus 3 plus 2ab value is 2 into 2, 4 root 3 plus root 3 whole square value 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3, which equal to 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3, 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. So simplify this one. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus here root 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 14 plus 4, 18, that means approximately this value is, we simplify this one, we get 16 minus root 3. So option number C is the right answer. Next problem. Ravi, Gagan and Nitin are running in a business firm in partnership. What is Gagan's share in the profit earned by them? Ravi, Gagan and Nitin invested the amounts in the ratio of 2:4:7. Nitin's share in the profit is 8,750. If the data in statement 1 unknown are sufficient to answer the question, no. If the data 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question, no. If the data even both statement 1 or 2 are not sufficient, no. This is also both are needed. That means if the data in both statement 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the question, so option number E is the right answer. So whenever both points are needed to answer this question, so option number E is the right answer. Next question. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank in 6 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B fill the remaining part in 7 hours. The number of hours taken by C alone to fill the tank is ABC fill in 6 hours means 1 hour work is 1 by C. So ABC they work for 2 hours means 2 by 6. That means 1/3 work they complete. Now remaining work completed by A and B. A plus B they complete in 7 hours. 7 hours. That work is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 work completed in 7 hours. So that equal to 7 3 is 21 by 2. So in 21 by 2 hours they complete the remaining work. Now A plus B already we know that value. Now here we need C value. So subtract B plus C value. A plus B 1 hour work value is A plus B value. Subtract to get C value. A plus B 1 hour work value is 2 by 21. LCM is 42. 21 2 is 42. 42 divided by 6. 6 7 ja minus 2 by 42. Now 6 minus 2, 5. 5 by 40. 2 2 is 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 by 42. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. 1 by 14. 1 by 14 value is 1 day work of C. So how many days C alone complete means 40 days. Option number C is the right answer. A is 30% more absent than B. How much time will they working together take to complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days? A is to B. A 100% work done in 1 day means B done that one in 130%. 0 0 get cancelled. 10 is to 30. A completed in 10 days means B completed in 30 days. Here the question is working together take to complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days. A completed in 23 days. 10 parts is 23 days. 13 parts is how much? Cross value is multiplication. 13 into 23 by 10. Now here we find working together. Working together is product by sum. 23 into 13 into 23 by 10 divided by 23 plus 299 by 10. 13 into 23 value 299 by 10. LCM is 10. 23 into 13 into 23 by 10. Yeah, 23 into 10, 230 plus 299. 10 get cancelled. 23 into 13 into 23 divided by 9, 12, 4, 5, 5, 29. 23 1 ja, 23, 23 ja. 23, 23 get cancelled. That value is 13. 13 days. The combined work is 13 days. Option number C is the right answer. So up to this aptitude questions completed. Next we are going to solve reasoning questions. Now here you see that first question. The first question is a puzzle. Sumit, Phillips, Wasim, Bishan and Chetan are 5 players of the college cricket team and their home teams are Surat, Pune, Warangal, Bangalore and Chandigarh, but not in that order. The 5 specialist slots of spinner, pace bowler, wicket keeper, batsman and captain are held by them again, not in the order of their names stated above. The names, hometowns and specialists do not start with the same letter. Do not start with the same letter. Neither Philip nor Wasim is the captain. So Philip and Wasim, these two are not captains. They do not have belong to either Surat or Bangalore. Sumit is neither a wicket keeper nor batsman. Sumit is not wicket keeper and batsman. Pune is not a Bishan's hometown. Pune is not a Bishan's hometown. The player who hails from Bangalore is a wicket keeper. Bangalore person is a wicket keeper. The captain's hometown is Pune. Pune person is a captain. While the batsman does not hail from Warangal. Batsman not from Warangal. Now, here, see, first person, the specialist and town. Now, here, see, Philip and Wasim, they are not captains. So, but they do not belong to either Surat or Bangalore. So, Surat, they are not belongs to Surat and also Bangalore. So, Surat, Bangalore completed. Now, remaining is Pune, Warangal and Chandigarh. Now, here you see that Pune is not a belongs to these persons. Pune is not belongs to these persons means the remaining two is there. Warangal and Chandigarh. Warangal Paro, so person Philip, hometown is Warangal. So here this Warangal is not belongs to Wasim. So both in both words W starts. So that condition is also there. So Wasim hometown is Chandigarh. Next, here Phillips and Wasim, they are not captains. Captain means remaining captain is not there. Remaining persons is there. Spinners, pace bowler, wicket keeper, batsman. Next, Pune is not a Piston's hometown. There are already 2 hometowns completed. Already Warangal completed, Chandigarh completed. And also Bangalore is not suitable to Pistons. Pune is not suitable to Bishan's, means remaining only one is there, Surat. So Bishan's hometown is Surat. So remaining two persons is Sumit and also Chetan. Sumit, Chetan. So remaining two cities is there. One is Pune, another one is Bangalore. Pune and Bangalore. Yes, the player who hails from Bangalore is a wicket keeper. From Bangalore person is a wicket keeper. So Sumit is a wicket keeper. The captain hometown is Pune. The captain hometown is Pune, while the batsman does not hail from Warangal. This Warangal person is not a batsman. Now here you see that. Now yes person, yes means Sumit, and also C means Chetan. Sumit belongs to Sumit is a neither wicket keeper nor batsman. Wicket keeper nor batsman. Already wicket keeper, Bangalore person belongs to wicket keeper. So next year the captain is Pune. Pune person is captain. Here two things is there. One one is Pune, another one is here Pune and Surat already completed. Pune and Bangalore. Bangalore person is a wicket keeper. Pune. Now here we take Pune is belongs to Sumit. Sumit is a captain. Next Bangalore. Bangalore person is wicket keeper. Neither Phillips nor Wasim captains. Sumit neither wicket keeper nor batsman. Sumit is neither wicket keeper or nor batsman, means he is a captain. That's why he belongs to Pune. So Chetan, now wicket keeper, he belongs to Bangalore. Next here. The batsman is not hailed from Warangal. So batsman is not hailed from Warangal, means remaining is pace bowler and spinner. So pace bowler and spinner means we'll take suppose Warangal person is spinner. Now Wasim. Wasim is a pace bowler. Now here you see that remaining three things is spinner, pace bowler and batsman. So here same letter is not repeated. That means B is not repeated, means B belongs to here not belongs to batsman. And also here this P belongs to either spinner or a pace bowler. P is not suitable to P, so here P is a spinner. Now the B is not belongs to batsman, means remaining thing is pace bowler. Wasim is batsman. Now who is the spinner? Spinner is Phillips. Option number A is the right answer. Chocolate always has coca. Find out how many pairs of letters are there in the given word, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in English alphabet. Now here you see count continuously W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E. No one is matched. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Next N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, D, E. One is matched. F, G, H, I, E, F, I, E, F, G, H, I, or S, T, U, F, G, H, U, V. Just reverse. L, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, R, S, T, U, V, W. One is matched. Next. E, F, G, H, I. Next. D, E, F, G, N, O, O, P. Totally 1, 2, 3, 3 matched. So option number C is the right answer. A girl counted in the following way on the finger of her hand. She started by calling the thumb 1, the index finger 2, middle finger 3, ring finger 4, little finger 5, and then reverse direction, calling the ring finger 6, middle finger 7, and so on. She counted up to 1994. She ended counting on which finger? Now here thumb finger again come back to 9 value. So that means 1, 9, 17, etc. That means this sequence is the form of 8 and plus 1. 8 into 1, 8 plus 1, 9 you get. 8 into 16 plus 1, you get 17 value. Now 1994, we divide with 8. 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja 16, carry 3 39. 39 means 8 4 ja 32, carry 7, 74, 8 9 ja, 72 carry 2. 2 means 2 is the index finger. It represents index finger. So index finger is the right answer. Option number C is the right answer. You are a team leader and you are supposed to hold a convention on HR issues, but your team members are unable to get adequate sponsorship. So option number A is you put in your money and hold the event as scheduled. No, it is not correct answer. You try and motivate them that they can do it. So this is the right answer. Option number B is the right answer. P's father is Q's son. P's father is Q's son. Q's son is P's father. M is the paternal uncle of P. M is the paternal uncle of P. And N is the brother of Q. N is the brother of Q. How is N related to M? N related to M is paternal uncle. So that answer is not there here. So option number D is the right answer. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Triangle, rectangles, circle, square. So this triangle, rectangle, square, all these are formed with the help of length and breadth values. Whereas the circle, it formed with a circular form, it have only radius. So option number C is the right answer. Arrange the following in a meaningful sequence: praise, letter, word, sentence. So first letter, next word, next form praise, next form sentence. 2, 3, 1, 4. Option number D is the right answer. Next here. Now TWSD. Now here see T value is 20, W value is 23, 23 minus 20 value is 3, S value is 19, D value is 4, 19 minus 4 value is 15. So J value is 10, T value is 20, 20 minus 10 value is 10, you will get that value. Here P value is 16, G value is 7, 15 minus 7 value is 9. So option number A is the right answer. Next. Each of these questions below contains groups of things. You have to choose from the following 5 diagrams the one that depicts the correct relationship among 3 groups of things in each question. Classrooms, boards, schools. So classrooms, school, inside school we have classrooms. Inside classroom we have board. So option number A is the right answer. Next, find the number which when added to itself 13 times given 112. X plus 13x is 14x. 14x value is 112. 14 1 ja, 14 8 ja. X value is 8. Option number B is the right answer. Find the missing term in the series. 0 to 2 difference is 2, 2 to 8 is 6, 8 to 6, 14 is 6. Now here difference is 10, 10, 10, 10. So 10 plus 14 is 24, 24 plus 10 is 34 we get. So now difference is 10. So 14 plus 10 is 24. Option number D is the right answer. Next question. The director of the institute has announced that 6 guest lectures on different areas like leadership, decision making, quality circle, motivation, assessment center, group discussion are to be arranged only on one on each day from Monday to Sunday. Motivation should be arranged immediately after assessment. So assessment, after assessment we have motivation. Quality circles should be arranged on Wednesday. Quality circles we arranged on Wednesday. And should not be followed by group discussion. So not followed by group discussion. So here group discussion what comes. Decision making should be organized on Friday. Decision making on Friday. And there should be gap of 2 days between leadership and group discussion. Leadership and group discussion between 2 days gap is there. One day there will be no lecture. Saturday is not that day. Just before that day, group discussion will be organized. So on which day there is no lecture. So first we arrange group discussion. Next year, we take holiday. Next quality circles. That is on Wednesday. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Next leadership. Group discussion and leadership 2 days difference means leadership on Thursday. Friday, decision making. And Saturday, motivation assessment. Saturday is assessment. Sunday is motivation. So holiday is on which day there is no lecture is, that is holiday is Tuesday. Option number C is the right answer. In each of the questions given below, a group of digits followed by 4 combinations of a letter codes labeled A, B, C and D are given. We have to find out which of the combinations is correct coded form of the group of digits as per the following codes and conditions. Here codes is given. If the first digit in odd number and the last digit in even number both are to be coded as X. If the first digit is even number and the last digit is an odd number, both are to be coded as Y. Either the first or last digit is 0, then 0 is to be coded as W. 7 is first digit is odd number, last digit is even number, both are coded X. 7 value is X, 6 value is also X. Now 4 value is D, 3 value is E, 5 value is R, 0 value is J. X, D, E, R, J, X. Here that option is not there, so none of this is the answer. Next, Sunday, study the following arrangement carefully and answer the questions given below. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on their position in the above arrangement and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? WJ1. W here 3 steps forward, next 1 step backward. BK7. BK 3 steps forward, 7 1 step backward. 1 star U, 1 star U, 3 steps forward, 1 step backward. DPE, D, 1 step forward, E 1 step backward. So this is different one. So option number D is the right answer. Next, you have a pharmaceutical company. You have received information that someone who is not an employee has tampered with certain types of tablets in a specific area, which has caused some deaths in that area. In this type of crisis, what will you do? So first option is this incident can have a negative effect on your company's reputation and earnings and can lead to loss. So in order to avoid this, don't launch a campaign to alert the people. So this is not correct one. Launch a campaign to alert the public and recall tablets from the specific area. So this is the right answer. Option number B is the right answer. Next question. A word and number arrangement message when given an input line of words and numbers or rearrangements, them following a particular rule. In each step, the following is an illustration of input arrangement. Now here you see quick, fine, 15, 28, 39, war, 19, yellow is given. Now the yellow comes first. Yellow, quick, fine, 15, 28, 39, war, 19. Next, yellow, this middle value 15 comes here. So here we won't follow any rule. We won't follow any rule means which of the following is definitely input means we can't say that input value. So can't be determined. Option number A is the right answer. Next question. Wax is related to grease. In the same way, milk is related to. Wax is used to prepare grease. Similarly, milk is used to prepare curd. Option number D is the right answer. Next, controversy always involves disagreement. So option number A is the right answer. Study the following information carefully to answer these questions. Each of these letters gets a numerical value based on its position in the above arrangement, such as 1 for M, 2 for K, 4 for I, and so on. The value of each of the following consonants then added to the top vowel following immediately amounts to 11. Now, here you see. Here, F value is 1, K value is 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Here, consonant and even value. Consecutive values is equal to 11. 3 plus 4, 7. So not equal to 11. 7 plus 8, 15. Not equal to 11. 11 plus 12, 23. Not equal to 15. So 14 plus 15, more value. So here we'll take any values not equal to 11. So not equal to 11 means none of this is the right answer. Option number E is the right answer. Study the following arrangement carefully and answer the questions given below. With the first element from the left interchanges place with the 10th element from the left. Similarly, second with 9th, third with 10th, fourth with 7th, and so on. Then which of the following will be 7th to the left of the 18th from the right? Now, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now P star Y Z 9 D C 7 A B 2 M C K S 3 the symbol up direction symbol 5 L T at the rate. This is the new arrangement. So in this one, question is which of the following will be 7th to the left of 18th element from the right? So 7th to the left of 18th element from right. 7th to the left of 18th from the right. Seventh letter, 7 to the left. 7 to the left is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 18th from the right. So from right hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to the left of 18th right. So 18th one from this 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. One left or right means subtract. Subtract means 11. So 7, 11 from right hand. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That one is 2. 7th to the left of 8th element. So 7 plus 8 from right hand. So one left, one right. One left, one right is add. Add means 7 plus 8, 15. 15 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is C. So option number B is the right answer. Next. In the following letter series, some of the letters and numbers are missing which are given in that order as one of the alternatives below it. Choose the correct alternative. 2, 3 continuous values. B, next value is C, 6, 7, F, G, 4, 5, D, E, 8, 9, H, I. So C, 7, 4, E, 9. So option number C is the right answer. Next one. Find the missing term in the following series. A, for A, we add 4, we get D. From the D, we subtract 1, we get C. C plus A plus 3. C plus 3, we get F. F minus 1, E. So E plus 3, H. H minus 1, G. G plus 3, H, I, J. J. J minus 1 value is I. J, E, J. So option number B is the right answer. Nitin ranks 18th in a class of 49 students. What is his rank from the last? So total strength is 49 minus, subtract 18th value and we add plus 1. So 49 minus 18 value is 1, 31 plus 1, 32. So option number D is the right answer. Next. In each of the following problems, there is one question and 3 statements, 1, 2, 3 given below the question. You need to decide whether the data given in the statements is sufficient to answer the question. Read all the statements carefully and find which of the statements is or sufficient to answer the given question. Choose the correct alternative in each question. P is, who is the tallest among 6 boys? P, T, N, D, Q and R. P is taller than D and N, D and N, but not as tall as T. So T is taller than P. R is taller than Q, but not as tall as T. T is taller than R. Q is not taller than T. Q is not taller than T. T is taller than T. And R. R also taller than. So only 1 and 2 are sufficient. To find who is the tallest. T is the tallest. So 1 and 2 sufficient. So option number B is the right answer. On a ground, Dinesh, Kunal, Nitin, Atul and Prashant are standing as described below facing the north. Kunal, 40 meters to the right of Atul. Kunal, 40 meters to the right of Atul. Dinesh is 60 meters to the south of Kunal. Nitin is 25 meters to the west of Atul. Prashant is 90 meters to the north of Dinesh. Already 60 is there, here 30. 60 plus 30, 90. This is Prashant. Who is the northeast person? Who is to the left of Kunal? Here, left of Kunal is Atul. Atul, northeast person. So this is north, this is east. Northeast means this area. That person Prashant is there. So Prashant is the northeast person. So your answer is not there. None of this is the answer. In certain code, stove is written as FNBLK. How is votes written in that code? Now here you see that F coded as, S coded as F, T coded as N, O coded as B, V coded as L, E coded as K. Now V coded as K, V coded as L, O coded as B, L, third one is B. LB. LB means option number C is the right answer. Next, we prefer to wear white clothes in winter, that is assertion. White clothes are good reflector of heat. If both ends are true, no. If both ends are true, no. If A is true but R is false, A is not true. A is false but R is true. Option number D is the right answer. A man said to a lady, your mother's husband's sister is my aunt. How is the lady related to man? Your mother's husband's sister. Mother's husband, sister. Your mother's husband's sister. Husband's sister is aunt. Aunt to that lady is equal to my aunt. So how is the lady related to the man? Lady related to the man is sister. Following are the criteria of selection of computer professionals in an organization. The candidate must be a computer engineer or MCA with first class having minimum 65% marks, have secured at least 50% marks in selection test, have secured at least 40% marks in interview, and not less than 21 years and not more than 30 years age on 1/10/2005. In case of candidate who satisfies all these criteria except A at, at one above, but is an electronics engineer with 70% marks, the case may be referred to the GM recruitment. B at two above, but having at least 2 years experience of working as a system admin at least, the case may be referred to the chairman recruitment committee. Each of the following questions, information about candidate is given. We have to analyze it with reference to the above criteria and conditions and then decide the appointment course of action. We are not to assume anything other than the given information. All these cases are given you as on 1/10/2005 mark. If candidate is to be selected, if candidate is not selected, if A means if candidate is to be selected, B means if candidate is not selected, C means the case is to refer to chairman, D means if the case referred to GM, E means the data provided are inadequate to take a decision. Next question. Sarthak Sinha is an electrical engineer, passed in 1999 at the age of 23 years with 82% marks. He scored 64% marks in the selection test and 58% marks in the interview. He has got to work experience as a programmer for 2.5 years. Now here we see that conditions. First condition, have a computer engineer with minimum or MCA with first class with minimum 65%. Here at the age of electrical engineering, so 82%, no problem. Next, he secured at least 50% marks in selection test, 40% marks in interview. That both conditions satisfied. He has got the work experience. Work experience as a programmer 2.5 years. Here work experience is not less than 21 years, not more than 30 years as 2005. That age condition also satisfied. Work experience is not there. In case of the candidate who satisfies the criteria except, so 50% this one first completed, second completed, third completed, fourth also completed. So here the condition is electrical engineer, passed out 98 at the age of 23. 23 to below 30 years. If the data is provided not adequate, that is not the candidate is to be selected. That is the right answer. So option number C is the right answer. So all conditions satisfied by him. Option number C is the right answer. So I think Everyone understood all my shortcut methods? Please watch my video up to the end. Please subscribe my channel. Please share to your DS and DS. Thanks to everyone.